Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Baekhyun candy-inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails except for your ring fingernail sheer purple. The sheer purple polish that I used was way thinner than I expected it to be, so I added a coat of sheer pink underneath it to help the colors show up better. On the thumbnail, use orange paint or polish to write candy in cursive. Finish it off by adding an oval outline around the writing. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the index nail, use yellow, red, magenta, and icy blue polishes to make 4 circles across the top half of your nail. Use black to write B, A, E, and K in the circles. For the strawberry, use green to make a leafy top, and then use a dark red to make the fruit. Outline the fruit with a lighter red, and then add some seeds with yellow. Add an orange music note beside the strawberry. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the middle nail, use orange, icy blue, green, and purple to make 4 circles across the bottom half of your nail. Use black to write H, Y, U, and N in the circles. Make the outline of a heart with black, and then add a V underneath it to make it look 3D. Keep using black to add a lollipop stick to it. Fill the stick in with white and the heart in with red. Paint over the white sections that are inside of the heart with a sheer pink. Use yellow to make the shape of a gummy bear beside the lollipop. Add details with black. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the pinky nail, use orange to make the shape of a candy in its wrapper. Use a darker orange to add shadows to the wrapper. Go over some of the shadows with an even darker orange. Add some highlights with a light orange. Finish it off with a couple of details in lime green. Sealing your design with a top coat. Paint your ring fingernail orange. Use yellow polish to make a wide oval. You want it to be almost a circle, but not quite. Add a small rectangle underneath for the neck and the lip of the balloon. To make the balloon look more 3D, use 2 lighter shades of yellow to highlight the left side of the balloon. Start with a small oval of the lightest yellow and then add a ring of the medium yellow around it. I also mix the yellows together on a scrap of plastic to make the transition between the colors smoother. You can also use a brush dipped in acetone to smooth it out even further. Darken the neck of the balloon with peach. Keep using the same color to make a curved line following the right edge of the balloon. Add some lines coming off of it that curve into the center. Mix some of the peach with your base yellow to shade the right side of the balloon and in between the curved lines. Darken some of your lines with a darker peach and then again with a darker orange. Darken the lip of the balloon with a dark orange and then add some white highlights between the curved lines. Make the string with white and then add some shading with light gray. Finally, add a smiley face with black paint or polish. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!